Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be installing some rear grab handles from Legend in the back of our RAM ProMaster. Let's get into it. All right, this is a vehicle-specific kit from Legend for these rear grab handles. This is powder coated in yellow, high visibility yellow. It's a grab handle that mounts here at the back door, so it makes it easy to get in and out of the vehicle. You got something to hold on to and making this giant step into the van. And so, first of all, this doesn't replace the installation instructions from your manufacturer, so make sure you check those out. We're gonna be following those as much as we can. Some prep we have to do to the vehicle. The way that these mount on here, there's two of these brackets included, which go on the top, and the arrows point towards the front. So, you know, obviously this is the driver's side, and this is the passenger side. And these mount into holes right here, two of those holes right there, and then you mount your grab handle onto there, and then you mount the second location down below into this square hole right here. Now to do this, we need to put some plus nuts into the van. They're M8 plus nuts, they're kind of big and they don't fit in these holes, you know, as is. And so we need to expand these holes a little bit. So I've got a 1/2 inch drill on my drill ready to go. I do have a drill step on there so we don't get sucked into the van and destroy anything we shouldn't be. And so the first step is just going to be expanding these holes. So I'm gonna start here down at the bottom, and I'll do these two. There we go. So just to make sure that these fit, you can take your M8 plus nuts, stick them in there, make sure that they fit. We're good to go right there. The way that you set these is you're gonna need a plus nut tool. You need the M8 specific plus nut tool as well, which has the M8 threading on it. And so the way that it works is you thread your plus nut onto here, and then when you pull this, it actually shrinks this. It forms a crimp on the sheet metal right there, so it gives you a nice mounting location for things like this. So we'll get started here on these top ones. The important thing with using one of these tools is making sure you get all the threads through the end of the plus nut. Otherwise you could ruin the plus nut or ruin your tool. So the bolting pattern we want to use for attaching the bracket to the van is our M8 bolt, our lock washer, our regular washer, then through the bracket into the plus nut. So we're going to do that for both of them. I'm just going to get these loosely attached. And then for attaching our bar, these bars are not completely symmetrical, so it is a little bit deeper here at the bottom than it is at the top, so you want to make sure that you can orient this the right way. And so the bolting pattern for the bar to the bolt is going to be our M8 bolt, flat washer through the bar, then through the bracket, then through another washer and a lock nut. Then a similar bolting pattern for the bottom. Again, we're going to do our M8 bolt, lock washer, washer, then through this into our plus nut and hand thread it. And then I'm just going to get this a little bit tight. There we go. Nice, secure rear grab handle. Now, I'm not going to go through and show you the installation on the other side, but it is literally exactly the same, just mirrored. So just make sure that you mount the bar the correct orientation. Remember, deeper at the bottom than it is at the top. Now, if you're looking for these grab bars or any other equipment to make your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. And my name is Ryan, and have a good one.